Alright, y'all, so I ordered my camera today and it just came and it's pretty dead. I would assume that they charged them, or I would assume that they come already charged at this a little bit, but apparently not. So yeah, that's what I got. It is the Z10. And then over here, this is extra charger. Actually, no, this is battery charger. This is what that one is. This is just extra chargers that I got. And over here is the little strap to put in the camera. And I think I just took this one off. This one is for the to cover the lens. And this one is digital battery. Oh, this is just extra batteries. You never can go wrong with extra batteries. Trust me. And then it comes with the charger. Also, this is the cleaning cloth. I also got the filter. Anyways, I also got the filter. Also got some extra cleaning kit. And then now I'm gonna open this one to show you guys what I got, what's in this box. So let's see. Actually, first let's charge the camera first. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one, show you guys what's in here. This is the battery holder. Oh, this one for the car. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay. And this one for different outlets, like if you travel to a different country where they have these. So yeah. So all right, hold on, let me figure this shit out and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is the base and this is the battery placement. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it. Yeah, so let me figure, hold on. Okay, although it took me forever later, I got it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the battery out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place it. Oh, apparently not. Okay. Oh, there we go. Snap right in. And now I'm gonna plug it. Hold on. All right, guys. Now since I put the charger, the camera charger to charge, we're gonna go ahead and move with this one in the meantime. Where are the scissors? Ah, the scissors. Okay. Oh, okay. This one comes with a 64 SD card, but I did bought my own. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So this one is just the SD card that it comes with. And then so this one comes with a lot of 3 different instructions, and I'm assuming it's in different languages. Still, it just comes in different language. Just for people with language barrier. Oh, it also comes with this, a little bag to carry. So this is it. It's the tripod. Hold on. All right, so if you guys look in the back of this, it comes with its own battery, but you make sure you buy extra to keep in your travel bag just in case. You just place it back. So when you are opening this, make sure you guys pull this and then this down. Damn, I don't know who told me that I can stay the way I am, because my knees hurt like a bitch. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, hold on. Let me figure this shit out again. Okay, so if you guys look right here, you could just press this, and then when you record, you could turn the camera other angle, like 360 or whatever. Like if you put, let's say you open this, right? And then you just want to turn the camera itself, you just hold this, and then you turn it 360. Big body Renee. Anyway, so yeah. Hold on. So because I do want to edit on the go, I also bought these for $15 off Amazon. I got this off Amazon, and I also ordered these from Amazon also. I wanted a 500 actually, but that shit was so expensive, so I got a 256 for now. So I could transfer content from the camera to through my phone if you don't want to like edit on your laptop on the go, of course. So it comes with a little case. Cute little case. So when you are putting the SD card, you need to open the battery area, and then right here you will insert it. Let the charger charge for like almost an hour, just like 5 minutes to an hour. So now I'm gonna insert it, close it, and then let's hopefully it works and charge. Let's see. All right, so now we are going to remove the lens cover, and then now we are going to set it up. We're gonna pick English. Hold on. So now it is okay. Hold on, never mind. Okie dokie. I can see myself right now. Okay. It's at 27. It only charged for 27%. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to set it up with this. So y'all just gonna have to wait, because like I said, I'm just gonna be reading the instructions, so I don't wanna have you guys just sit there watching me. So let me set it up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got finally an eternity later, bruh, connecting this damn thing took me a fucking lifetime to get the shit to appear. Like, oh my gosh. So this is the full setup. It is finished, and then now I am testing it actually to see the final result. And then I'm gonna go ahead, transfer whatever clip that I get from this, the camera, through my phone, and see how it looks. And if it do, I'm gonna let y'all know. If you don't, I'm gonna let y'all know. So for all upcoming YouTubers, content creators, make sure y'all go get y'all off Amazon for $15. This one is better because you can do it for the computer, the phone, and whatever else. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am finally going to end this video right here, because the whole setup is done. And look, I've already recorded my first video, and I'm super excited, guys. Like I said, make sure y'all don't forget to click like, click share, and subscribe, and then help your girl, support your girl, and I'll see you guys on the next video.